I'll applaud that.
About 30-mile-an-hour winds, huh?
What's the best direction to lift it in from this side?
Plan here?
Get out of the way so they
We get some guys to run and load this sucker up.
You guys got the string for the upper end unwound?
Yep.
Okay.
I got it wound down.
Okay. Thank God you got the
plug back in.
That's about right.
Yeah, it's pretty calm, so as long as it goes pretty straight up, that
Should be okay.
should be flowing. Just hope it
Well,
comes down.
how you gonna do it?
Somebody probably tall
Well, I just want
down here. The tallest guy down this end.
Kicking on the bed.
I got this
Rusty, get a picture of that.
That would look like the one where they're putting the flag up. Where was that? What island was that on?
Everything clear?
Aircraft.
Well, they get a load of this, they'll go the other direction of their rapid rate.
Mike, get over there.
Get the vice grip?
He's right on. I would say that rocket will reach that out.
Yeah, that would be a nice target.
Take that rock off, that'd be just about right.
You want to rest it on here then?
No. Like something right in between those. Stand off a real short spot.
I got a piece of aluminum stock about.
Here, are we all ready?
Yeah.
We're on, huh? We're live?
You're on.
What scale is this?
It's, this is 8-to-1, scale up from the Estes Cherokee D. This is the Cherokee L. It is 12 feet 4 inches in height, 8 inches in diameter. Liftoff weight is 46 pounds. It's powered by a ISP reloadable L952 with a total of 5,120 newton seconds total impulse. Computer estimated altitude is about 5,000 feet.
All right.
The booster will come down on a single 9-foot parachute, hopefully, and the payload section on 2 6-footers. What's that?
Anything to add, Brian? You haven't said a word.
Hope this all works okay.
Yeah. It's painted by Brian.
Oh yeah, I painted it. Mike did the decals.
Yep.
When was it built?
Beautiful
Fingers
job.
crossed.
When was it built?
About 2 years ago.
Who's the components by?
Components by
ACA of San Diego.
California Consumer Aeronautics, of course.
Of course.
All right. We're standing by. And Ray, what do you have going on back there?
Got your basic Project Rocket film movie camera rocket with the G45-8 for the motor, and I'm going to be launching this puppy about a second before the big one goes off. Hopefully
All right.
we'll catch the big one in flight.
Yeah. You've done it before.
Okay, let's do it.
All right. Well, minutes before launch.
Got me a runway in case it weirds.
I'm going to launch this little one. It goes off about a second before the big one.
Run his ass.
Everybody up! Once I start that one, once I get this one launched, I'm going to run.
Run fast, Ray.
He's gonna run and trip is what Oh, so get it on film, right?
Give us a good countdown.
Wait for the wind.
You guys ready?
Wind checker.
Ready? Want to hold for the wind?
No.
Any aircraft? Clear?
All clear.
Right. 10, 9, 8,
There you go.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wow. What a lift off. Oh, man.
Where'd mine go?
Come on.
Yours is over there,
Jackson.
Frank. Oh, Jesus. It's coming down.
Heads up! Heads up!
Listen to that baby.
Oh my God, did you see that?
Where's the motor?
Oh, there it is. It's all right?
Not
Did you hear that suckle diesel in, man?
Oh.
Black powder's still in there.
Look at this. Fins. Fins are spread all over the place here.
Perfect. 1, 2.
Black powder's still in
The
here.
other one over there?
Yeah.
It didn't burn.
See that, Brian, here, too?
That one didn't go off either.
It's interesting.
Not much left to it.
So there wasn't any injection, Johnny.
Pardon me? No
Pilot
ejection.
never went off.
Oh no.
Did anybody check the pad? Is the string still attached?
Yeah, neither one of them went.
It was a double. Did everything pull out of the rocket? String?
You know, with the plane they kicked out, that might have been
Plugs come out?
Are they still
Yeah,
stuck in there?
it may have.
Looks like
Oh, it's so damn
Of
awesome.
the rocket that was supposed to plug. Probably maybe in this debris.
I know.
Oh yeah, I was trying to find the nose cone.
Did you get some heat on that? Ah, shoot, Brian, you can fix it. What are we looking for, Brian?
The string.
The bottom plate. It'll fly again tomorrow, folks. Don't you worry.
The very bottom plate?
Yeah, the very bottom. Yeah. Oh, it's over here.
Looking for the wooden one.
This one? Which one?
That's one.
Probably this one. Here's part of it. So I'm wondering if the plug ever got pulled on the timer or not.
coming in.
Oh, it doesn't matter.
Looking for a certain part. Here, this part right here, Brian?
How about the
Tornado
swing
through the
part?
head where they launched the
Yeah, that's part of it.
Part.
I didn't touch it. There's part of it. You stepped on it. Is that part of this?
That's not a
Notice
swing
that
part.
you're
Right on.
almost
Yeah, pieces are everywhere.
Hey, your fins landed in a triangular fashion. With one
Yeah. Yeah, I know. Yeah, how far apart were they?
Yeah, quite a way.
That thing exploded when it hit. You can tell by that? You can tell by that?
I shouldn't have been drinking when I set up that motor.
Nothing.
But it was pretty long.
Wow.
Look at this. Broke the landing.
I hope the motor isn't damaged. It looks okay. It spit over the border, didn't it? Whoa. That's why you know what's next is the helicopter's coming out. Yeah, you can count on it. That's a fact. Helicopter. He and I were out here firing G's when it was launching, and we got buzzed. Coming in fast. That's how low he's flying. That's how he's flying that forward.
Somebody get a picture for your catalog.
Yeah, let me tell you, when you're 20 feet away from that baby, that's a scary sound.
You're all asking how high the sucker was. They had it on radar. They know how high it was.
I don't care, I still want one.
Oh my God, did you see that?